Join me as I set up this flower wall I created for a Bat Mitzvah last year. I got the lead organically through Instagram, and the event took place at Jackrabbit Club in Rochester, New York. Interestingly, this was my only event last year that wasn't a wedding or a bridal shower. The backdrop was customized to include peach roses as requested by my client. The base of the flower wall is Neutrella, and I incorporated pale pink and orange roses from my previous sets. I've definitely improved at setting up these flower walls, as this one went smoothly without any issues. If you want to learn how to create your own flower wall, we've put together a series that walks you through the process. Click the card or the link in the upper right-hand corner of the video, or check out the link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I do wish I had more peach roses, but the Spring Hill Digital Peach cardstock has been out of stock for over 2 years now. Nevertheless, the client was thrilled and her daughter was delighted, making this setup a success. And that's it. This is a custom Nutrella. Again, the base is Nutrella, pale and orange and peach roses. If you have any questions, again, leave them on or in the comments below. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye!